Pakistan's Air Force has raised its head with pride on the global stage. Pakistan's military is among the best in the world and is ranked #1. The friendship between China and Pakistan appears to be very strong and sincere. Due to India's mistake, the whole world suffers greatly. Even though both countries had agreed to a ceasefire, I am restarting trade with China by eliminating the high tariff rates. China should also reduce tariffs on American goods. Similarly, we had a productive and high-level discussion with Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, in which he stated that he would invest $600 billion in the United States. In the same way, our relations with Pakistan are also good. There should be peace and harmony in the world, and countries should maintain good relations with one another. The President and Prime Minister of China should also work to further reduce the tariffs imposed by the United States on Asia so that trade and prosperity between the two nations can grow.